Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and this is my review of Project Profit Academy. So as you can see, I am logged in, I have access to it. And what it is a complete training program for how to make money online. And when I say complete, I mean complete. It gives you everything you need, from the initial setups, the lead capture pages, teaching you about affiliate marketing, the instant offer, syncing your Aweber or your autoresponder account. Um, every single thing in here is something you need to know if you really want to make money online and you want to do it, especially if you want to do it selling other people's products, so you don't have to create it yourself. Um, he goes into some advanced strategies here, like trading traffic, click banking, emails, affiliate promotions, launches, which is a great way for beginners to start. Um, bonuses, which is another great thing to do if you're going to be promoting someone else's product, to offer a bonus for it. Everything you need to know is in here. It's very extensive. It's very step by step. If you've never done this before, I totally believe you could go ahead and make money if you follow his instructions. The guy that created it is Brandon Mace. I've met him before. He's a very cool guy. And this guy knows how to make money online. I mean, he's one of the most successful online marketers out there. So if you're looking to learn everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, about how to make money online, this is one of the most advanced courses out there. I highly recommend it. So go ahead, click on the link below and get started and just do what he tells you to do, okay? I hope you're having a great day. Click on the link below. Bye.